Ali, nga kaya kada week, nga na Wisconsin, yung orte ay dem sin siya bal trial gimola ra pebira burger belan mira me over am lang ata like 13 years first time sin siya barangay nga tara kadyang kaya kadim na start lo adi si orur tamsil era alta maklamo one trial kaser up pamsil el será para parts from Silly Arbigo Rusto. Actual tayo mabebe sampura igal part tigi mo Rusto. Adi muskema tigi beltur al sera shop adi kaya digamos. So you guys can see what we do here. Yaida maybe a part. Yaida maybe a part. Kimorul white kagig. Excuse me, the military face ringi or drill a hole and ganga more of direct aluminum milay gang drill a holes and more la thread ringi something like this too. I them got the maroon and tell border outside but direct maroon and something like that threads. What will come together part of direct I roll on my measure I said tunnel threads I give more room my grooves and some of these holes here and they're going to make it down. Okay, so they are also the quality room get dongo those spell measure holes from threads. And then we'll get back out there. Okay, thank you also last shop. Let's give you guys a little tour. Aquí del buiga, una buiga bela lo rutang. Adre al mata talo. Babangya kalum lang ngatang. Abi ay matibal ada ban sa mga ruta katibal heavy parts. Landi tibura parts. Ano sa hindi tibura holes. Pero todo ang port ng pato ka motor mangin pero ang tiburo mo smooth. Yep. Pero todo ang wasigit si raw. Ako low berngin al sala mesin. Ya todo ang nga holes. Ilan tayo lagi borog. Sa ilo na sila. do it? Or? Yeah, let me see. Ay, kaya na la holes ng Hartland. That's right. Alright. Ay, well. Part.
Hello, my name is Bontem and I've been with Neosho Trompler now for 6 years. When I first started working at the company, I had no knowledge whatsoever on how to run machines or read blueprints or anything for that matter. But I've been here for 6 years, and throughout the 6 years I've developed skill sets that the leads have taught me. So I can honestly say that if you put me on certain machines or any machines, I'm confident enough to run it. So when you guys first start, it might be a little slow for you guys because there's no knowledge or experience in machining. But I'm here to tell you guys not to worry, because we have leads, supervisors that are going to be here to help you every step of the way. So they'll be here to, if you have any questions, any concerns, talk to them, and they're there to help. So hope to see you guys soon, and go Palau.